Hello everyone! In this video, we'll cover how to add WordPress website in Google Search Console. If you're wondering whether your site has been indexed by Google, which specific pages are ranking, or which Facebook pages are driving traffic to your site, Google Search Console can help answer all these questions. It also shows which keywords you're ranking for and which pages are receiving the most traffic from Google. Before we get started, I have a quick tip for you. If you're serious about monitoring your URLs in real time, ensuring safe indexing, and boosting your search performance, I highly recommend checking out URL Monitor by clicking the link in the description below. This tool is invaluable for keeping your online presence in top shape, allowing you to identify issues quickly and maintain optimal search visibility. Now, let's dive into the steps. First, go to Google and search for Google Search Console. Click the first link to open the tool we'll be using. There are two ways to connect Google Search Console: using the web version, which might be complicated for beginners, or using a plugin. We'll go with the plugin method. Log into your WordPress dashboard. Under Plugins, go to the Add New section and search for a plugin called SiteKit. It's the first result with over 3 million active installations, and it's developed by Google, so it's free with no premium version. This plugin not only integrates with Google Search Console, but also links with other tools like Google Analytics, Google PageSpeed Insights, Google Tag Manager, and Google AdSense. Once installed, activate the plugin. You'll see a new menu item called SiteKit on the left side of your WordPress dashboard. Click it and start the setup. Choose which Google account to link with, and SiteKit will set up everything for you, including creating your Search Console account. After that, verify your website, if it hasn't been verified yet. Once everything is verified, your Search Console integration is complete. Next, it's crucial to submit a sitemap for your website. A sitemap helps Google understand your site's structure and content. To do this, install an SEO plugin. Once installed, activate it and find the sitemap option in the dashboard settings. Copy your sitemap link and submit it in your Search Console account under the sitemap section. Google will start fetching your site's details within 24 hours, and the status should update to success. Once everything is set up, you'll be able to monitor important metrics in Search Console, such as impressions, clicks, ranking pages, and queries. You can also see which countries your traffic is coming from and whether there are any indexing issues. I hope this gives you a clear understanding how to integrate Google Search Console with WordPress. By the way, don't forget that you can monitor your URLs in real time, ensure safe indexing, and boost search performance with URL Monitor. I encourage you to check the link in the description below for more details.